It's the 26th of December, the wrapping paper is in the trash, and sitting on your desk is a brand new NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti. Maybe you bought it for yourself, maybe it was a gift. It promises next-gen gaming, DLSS 4, and great 1440p performance. But there is a question nagging at the back of your mind. With CES 2026 just weeks away and AMD rumored to drop their new budget cards, did you just buy this card at the worst possible time? Or is this actually the mid-range king we have been waiting for? Today, I'm going to tell you if you should rip that box open and start gaming, or if you should run back to the store and get your refund. Let's break it down. First, let's defend your purchase. Why is this the perfect time? Because the RTX 5060 Ti finally fixes the biggest sin of the 40 series. VRAM, NVIDIA finally listened. This card comes with 12 gigabytes of VRAM or 16 gigabytes depending on the model you discuss. Unlike the RTX 4060 Ti 8GB, which choked on textures, the RTX 5060 Ti can actually handle Unreal Engine 5 games at 1440p high settings. The DLSS factor, and then there is the software. The new AI features in the Blackwell architecture mean this card punches above its weight class. If you are upgrading from an RTX 2060 or a GTX 1070, this isn't just a step up, it's a rocket jump. You are getting 3 times the performance. For $450,500, you have a card that plays everything today. That is a win. But we have to talk about the hardware reality. NVIDIA has done it again. While the chip is fast, the memory bus is likely still narrow 128-bit or 192-bit. What does this mean for you? It means at 1080p and 1440p, it's a beast. But if you try to push this card to 4K, it falls off a cliff. And then there is the price, at roughly $499. This is not a budget card anymore. You are paying a premium for the green logo and the AI features. Is it better than the RTX 4070? Barely. In raw rasterization, it's often trading blows with a card that is 2 years old. You are paying for the features, not raw muscle. Here is why you might have bought at the worst time. We are literally days away from CES 2026, and the rumors are loud. 1. AMD RDNA 4. AMD is targeting this exact price point. They aren't competing with the 5090, they are coming for the RTX 5060 Ti. The leaks suggest the RX 8700 XT will offer 10 to 15% more raw performance and 16 gigabytes of VRAM for $50 less. 2. Intel Battlemage. If Intel drops their B770 card in January for $350, the RTX 5060 Ti at $499 is going to look incredibly overpriced. By buying today, you are locking in a price right before a potential price war. So, the final verdict, do you keep the box scenario or return it? If you are a value hunter and you don't mind waiting 3 weeks, return the card. Wait for CES in January. Even if you still want the NVIDIA card later, the competition might force a price drop. You lose nothing by waiting. Scenario B, keep it. If you want to play games today, if you want the best ray tracing, the best upscaling DLSS, and you stream NVENC encoder, the RTX 5060 Ti is a fantastic product. Even if it is slightly overpriced, it will last you 4 to 5 years comfortably. Conclusion, there is never a truly perfect time to buy tech. But if you keep this card, don't look at the benchmarks next month, just enjoy your games. Question of the day, what GPU did you upgrade from? Let me know in the comments. I'm Steven. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one.